Hi, this is Richard Jones, the Welsh lockpicker. There you go, just in case you thought it wasn't me. And today I've got one of these in the mail, and it is a Smith's 60mm steel heavy-duty industrial padlock. Bought this from Amazon for the pricely sum of £7.99. And what caught my eye was the claims that it is a barren alloy steel, probably boron, but I doubt it. Anti-theft specifications, very easy to open and lock. Yeah, don't doubt the open bit. Anti-rust lock mechanism, okay, and a 1-year guarantee. Can't dispute that because I've not tried it. Compared to other locks, made of steel, yeah. Easy to break and pick lock. We all know you can get into anything you want. Difficult to open and lock. Don't know what that means really. Normal locking mechanism, I assume that's pin tumbler, but this is also a dimple lock pin tumbler, and no guarantee, although I'm pretty sure the manufacturers would disagree with that. But what caught my eye was, if we scroll here, it is designed in Britain, and it is recommended by the Ministry of Public Security, and it's got a British sort of kite marky thing there. It does show pin tumbler keys, which don't think that's in the pack. So yeah, Ministry of Public Security. I did Google them, and China has one, but the UK doesn't. So I'm going to put this away, and let's see what's arrived in the box. I'll just zoom out a bit. There you go, got all your lovely stickers in again. And it'll stop Nick's Picks moaning that I've covered his up. There we go. There you go, just a bit prettier. So, here we are, we got this box. And it is a Smith's 60mm steel. Okay, let's have a look. Let's get a little penknife out. Got a new one today. Quite nice. Little whippy job. Let's go down there. Okay. Sorry for the rustling. Okay, so we've got this little padlock. Guarantee now this is not a 60mm padlock, maybe that way, but certainly not, as we'd know, a 40mm padlock that way. The finish is absolutely terrible. You can see from the side of the keyway at the moment the slop in it. Yeah, very smooth keyway. Yeah, very easy to open and lock, as they claim. And then the key, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pins with one, what appears to be a zero lift. See there? Oh, yeah, there we go. That zero lift in the middle. So let's see. They did say it's very difficult to pick. Let's see what we need. So I'm going to use some bits from this Echelon set by Covert Instruments. It's not one I use very often, but I thought I'd give it a whirl. And I'll try a quint rake. So loose tensioner in there, yeah, that fits. Get the quint rake, give it a few goes. It's holding up so far. Fair play. Let's try the dedicated dimple rake. Well, this is definitely making a show of me now. there we go. Little batarang, got it. So there we go. And if you do look on the Amazon website, this is the only padlock recommended by whatever ministry it was. And even worse than that, I realised, looking through my locks, my dumbass bought one not long ago as well and didn't realise. So, the same thing, this one's finished a little bit better. Absolutely flat bitting. So, we'll give that a go, just to make sure that's not a fluky lock. So, same one, from Amazon, the Smiths. They call it a 60mm, but it's not. Look, there we go, we've got that open. So, yeah, 2 of these opened. So, recommended by the Chinese Ministry of Security, and they claim to be the best padlock available for the price. You guys make your own mind up. I know I have. Diolch yn fawr.